While working in the GIS platform, sometimes we have created some features by using the point, line or polygon feature classes. And also simultaneously we collect some information from the field survey. And suppose here is the some information about building structures which is collected from the site visits or field surveys. In this Excel file, we have added one field that is named as GIS ID. If we want to join this Excel information to our GIS shapefiles or feature classes of particular buildings, let me show you how to join it. First of all, I will add the shapefile. Here is my shapefile of building structures, and in this shapefile I have also added the same field, that is GIS ID. One field must be common in both files, in the Excel as well as in the GIS feature class files. We can join this Excel data to this file. Right click on the shapefile or feature class, click on join and relates. Again click on join. You have to keep here join attributes from a table. Then select the common field which is we given in both files, that is GIS ID. And at this place you have to select the Excel sheet. Go to the your Excel data file and select the sheet and click on add button, and here you must select the common field and check this option keep all records and click on validate joins. Just click on close and OK button. Go to the shapefile, right click over there and open attribute tables, and here is the all data is joined to the building shape files from Excel data files. You can follow these steps for any type of features, points, lines or polygons or shapefile or to the feature classes of GeoDatabase. I hope you like our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channels.